Hey, here we go guys. You've obviously seen real chai on the website, but you've only seen it from the outside, so I wanted to show you what's in the tin, give you a bit of the chai experience from home. So just gonna open it up, and the first thing you notice when you open it up is how good it smells. It smells like exotic spices, and it smells so good it makes you want to have a cup. This is how my whole house smells all the time, like full of beautiful fresh spices. So comment down and I'll show you what it looks like. So look at them, they're so yummy, they make me happy. This is what chai should look like. This is obviously the first thing you're going to notice is there is, it's not a powder, it's not a syrup. So real chai is all about real spices and real tea that you can see and you can smell and obviously so therefore taste. So let me show you the little individual spices. So these ones, here we've got cardamom, beautiful cardamom. And then we've also got beautiful ginger in there, that's your ginger. And we've got my personal favorite, so we've got some cinnamon, ground up cinnamon. And then, it's a little trickier to find, we've got some ground up cloves hiding in here as well. So that is what chai is. There you go. There's one of the cloves, if you haven't seen a clove before. Yeah, so beautiful fresh spices, all ground by myself and packed in there, so there's mostly spices and just a little bit of tea, so you can have that amazing, authentic, real chai taste. So that's what it looks like. I hope you get to taste it and smell it for yourself soon, because it is so yummy. Thanks.